If your Instagram account get banned and your Facebook account also suspended, don't worry, this can happen and there is a way to fix it. The main reason both accounts get affected is because they are connected. If you post the same content on both platforms and one account get banned for spam or policy violation, the other one may also be restricted. First, check your email inbox carefully. Both Instagram and Facebook usually send a message explaining why your account was banned or suspended. This may also include an appeal button or link. Click on it and submit a request explaining politely that you did not break any rules. If you don't see an appeal option, try log into your account. Sometimes a message will appear with an option to request a review. Follow this step and submit your appeal. If you still didn't get any response, you can contact support through their app page or help center. Write a clear message and explain your situation. Most importantly, be patient. Wait at least 5 to 7 days for a response. Sending multiple appeals quickly can delay a request. Stay calm, follow this step, and your account may be restored. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.